In today's video, we're gonna try freezing Lego to cryogenic temperatures and throwing it in a blender to see if we can turn it into a powder. Hey guys, I'm Nate.
I'm Callie, and today we have a pile of Lego bricks, some liquid nitrogen, and a blend tech, and a Lego Bugatti, because it's beautiful. And we're gonna see what we can do with all of these things.
The goal here is to try and make powderized Lego. We want to see if we can take these bricks and turn them just into dust. We thought a good powerful blender might do that, but it would probably work better if we can drop them down to cryogenically cold temperatures before we throw them in. Lego bricks are made from what's called ABS plastic, and it starts to melt at around 200 degrees Fahrenheit, but gets to a really runnier, thinner consistency used for injection molding at around 400 degrees Fahrenheit.
All right. So here's the basic idea. We are going to be taking some Lego pieces, dipping them into liquid nitrogen, and pulverizing them in a blend tech to see if we can powderize them. If we can, we may try melting them down. Guys, I just really like destroying things.
One Lego brick.
Ready?
Sure.
Yes, this is very effective.
I'm gonna try to see. It has a higher speed setting it gets to.
I'm gonna go ahead and say if you stepped on that, it would be a lot less painful than normal Lego.
Yeah, we've just made like Lego sand here, I think.
No, this is Lego gravel. We're not to the sand point yet. Wait, is it?
That's kind of a slight burny plastic
goodness.
smell.
Yeah, it's like, have you ever left like a cutting board on your stove accidentally? Kind of smells like that.
All right, so here's what we've got left. Let's just pour this out. So this was a Lego brick, and now it's Lego gravel, as Callie has called it.
It looks like Fruity Pebbles, look at this.
Yum. We can try the Fruity Pebbles colors.
Yes? No? Yes? It's really hot. I think the process of blending it has actually heated it up. So the friction and the kinetic energy is really playing a lot into that. So we have tried pulverizing just a regular Lego in the blend tech, and as you saw, it didn't really work. We kind of got a Fruity Pebbles.
It's blended, but I wouldn't call it powderized. So to try and get this a little bit more powdery, we're going to see what happens if we freeze the Lego bricks first. And for that, we've got some liquid nitrogen. We're just gonna take these down to several hundred degrees below zero, and see what happens when we throw them in the blender. Callie is freezing a brick. I will take a different brick. This is a normal, unfrozen brick. Pliers. It's ruined, but that, it just got kind of crushed. A little bit of smushing. Let's see what happens if we do it with a frozen brick. All gone.
Yep.
Let's try freezing a few bricks and throwing them in the blender. Pouring our liquid nitrogen into this pot because we've got this cool little frying thing. We're gonna use that to dip the Lego pieces down in. That looks like a good mix.
Yeah. Go, go, go!
I suspect at this point it is now warmed up. So let's take a look at this. That went much faster and we have no large pieces left. I'm not sure if I would call this a powder, but I think we are definitely to a sand state.
Did you inhale it?
I think some got in my mouth somehow. As you can see, the frozen Lego definitely breaks up into much smaller bits. We've got our little Lego figure of Grant here, and he's not gonna make it. We do want to see what happens if we blend up Lego Grant, so we're gonna blend up Lego Grant.
Sorry, Grant. No! Oh, wow. I'm melting, nope, freezing, I'm freezing. Sorry, Grant.
Goodbye, Grant. And he's gone.
Oh, he did.
Well, we've got black element, we've got blue element, we have yellow element, and some orange element. Also, the little hose to his blowtorch just like completely survived.
Wait, is that different material?
I don't know. I think it was just so thin that it warmed up really quickly.
Huh. That does make me wonder though, different
pretty
types
bendy.
of materials. Legos have cars.
Cars have tires.
Tires are rubber. What does that do?
Let's find out. Oh, goodbye, Grant. Lego tire, squishy rubber. Fun fact, Lego is the biggest tire manufacturer in the world, as long as you count that as a full-size tire. Good and frozen. Let's blend it. Yum.
Oh no, tire.
I think we should try blending up a whole car. Not that car. That won't fit in our blender.
Pulverized Bugatti. I don't want to do that. How about this one?
Perfect. People like putting Lego pieces together, so we just need to put this back together.
This would be a beginner level Lego assembly.
1 to 6 months.
That's a car.
There is a cup full of car. I think that the larger pieces do a better job of blending up because there's more like weight holding it down near the blades. So I do want to try like a larger batch of Lego. That
it looks like
really
sand.
fine. Yeah, all of the colors mixed together and as fine as it got with the larger volume.
Oh, looks less like sand.
Looks like sand mixed with.
Oh, but that.
That is dust.
Nice. Now we still have some pretty darn large chunks in there, but this is the finest we've gotten so far.
Now we're going to grab several different individual colors and blend those separately so we get different colors of powder. We've got a couple of these glass trays and we're going to take our Lego powder, sand, dust, whatever you want to call it, and we're going to pour it in. In one tray, we're going to take our just mixed up assorted rainbow colors. We're just gonna kind of put that in along with the other cups we've blended, except the car because that has rubber tires in it. We don't want to do that. The other one, I've cut out this Lego man shaped stencil and we're going to try and pour in the different colors and get kind of a Lego man shape out of it. Will it actually work? We'll see, but it might be abstract art. Yeah, let's throw these in an oven at 400 degrees and see how they handle it. This has been in here for a while. I really thought that things were gonna start puddling down, but it looks like we're getting some burning and some smoke. Clearly that has burned. That looks kind of like...
Well, now we've got dark Fruity Pebbles. Oh, okay, weird. Do you see this?
It's really not conductive, is it?
No, the surface I can touch.
Like it's very warm,
Yeah.
but if I'm only touching it lightly, it doesn't, if I start to squish it, then it burns.
Don't do this at home, kids. But look at this. This is like, do you see how gooey? So it's definitely all congealed. Oh wait, as soon as I took it out though, now it's gone brittle. Oh, not even brittle, that's strong. Not conductive, super hot, but as soon as that comes off the pan, I'm touching that. Oh yeah, well, okay. So here's the real question. We want this to come out in one piece, but all it takes is me just sort of scraping this, and you can see it's leaving this horrid residue. So I don't know if that's gonna come out once we cool it down.
Just curious how this is,
That's cool.
What? That's like the colors we wanted. Although you can see there's like little bits of the burned color coming through.
That side's hot. Don't touch that side.
And then like it spilled. These are now cooled down and it's stuck. It's very stuck to the bottom. So that's in there forever.
If it was an abstract and you sort of crossed your eyes a little bit,
modern art.
you could probably find that in a museum in
This
New
is
York
for sale
somewhere.
for $1.9 million. Contact me. Guys, that's it for today, but the fun doesn't end here. We've got more for you to see. That box up at the top will take you directly to our last video. You should check that out. The other box will show you what YouTube thinks you should be watching next. And this bomb here in the middle will subscribe you to the channel. That way you never miss out on the fun. Don't forget to ring that bell, and we'll see you in the next one. Talk to you then.